I've been wanting to talk to you about this for 6 months. You remember when I launched the Kickstarter, I said a lot of things were happening at that time. So a lot of things are happening, and I'm gonna talk more about all of them. And one of which was this. I won an auction for this place, which is beyond what I could dream. Like, this place is amazing, and I'm gonna show it to you in a little bit. But let me talk to you first what kind of the project is for this place. The end goal is to be able to set up a place where we can make anything we want. Like any prototype, any stupid thing ever possible, we're gonna be able to make it here. With machines and people that are gonna work and collaborate here. And God, I can't wait. It's been 6 months. I've been coming here for 6 months, and I still can't get over how amazing this place is. Like, if you told me like a year ago, tell me what your dream place is, I couldn't make it this nice. It really is amazing, but let me show it to you. I still can't believe how amazing this place is. Like, okay, let's pretend I'm working here and I need a screwdriver that is like down there. I need something like this to go and take it, because I mean, it still requires time. You see how small I am? Like, seriously, it's still difficult to give a sense of space on camera, but this place is huge, honestly. Like, now I got my screwdriver, I need to come back. This is how big this place is. Let me show you a little bit more. Okay, here, this is an elevator, because this floor is like higher, and I can come here with a car. I can lift 3,500 kilos with this thing. How cool is that? And it's mine, and it works already. This place, it's been like empty for like maybe a couple of years, and people decided to come and live here, so it was pretty bad in the last months, but we are starting to clean it, and it's looking a lot better than what it was. Look, there's more. See? I know there's like a piece missing there, but we're gonna fix it. Some pieces are here. This area is probably where we're gonna make like the offices and the design studio and all that kind of fun stuff. I didn't decide yet, because I'm actually changing my mind every day, but there's so much potential. It's freaking amazing. Also, there's Gabriello there. What you want, boy? This is what excites me, like the potential of this place. And this time I want to make sure I have kind of a plan, because it's really easy when you have a lot of space to just go like put everything there. But I want to pretend that I have little space, so I can do a good job with organization. Oh, there's a hole here. What is this hole? Oh, wait. Oh, okay. So there's another floor. This is just one floor. I know, this place is amazing. Okay, let's go check the other one. Oh, in the meantime, if I go outside here, you see out here? There's a forest there, and it's part of the property. Like, I don't know exactly the limits, but it's probably more than I can even see. And this is all ours. I know. Let me show you the other floor. It's down here. Can you imagine what kind of stuff we can do here? Like, seriously, look at this place. If you notice, I actually already shot a video here that I couldn't probably, but let's go inside. Gabriello again, fixing the gate. Oh yeah, all this outside. That's the main entrance. Well, that's Gabriello, but that's the main entrance. Look at this. So some of you, when I shared on Instagram, they asked me, where are you gonna put all those machines that you just bought in another auction? Apparently I'm buying everything on an auction now, even grocery. They're here. CNC, Mazak, EDM machine, you know, what we used to make the maker knife. In here I got the Tormac lathe. I received this quite some time ago, but I didn't want to open it in the old shop, because then I would have to move it. But now I can finally do it, so I expect a video about that. I love tarmac. New van. So basically I think this downstairs is gonna be the metalworking area, so machining, welding and stuff like that. And upstairs is gonna be like woodworking, and then all the other like cleaner things like 3D printing farm, electronic, you name it. Recording studio. Why not? We want to make everything, right? Some drill presses here. This place is so good. We're living the dream. I even got a bigger forklift, you know, for bigger needs. And here, there's a robot setup. A freaking robot. How amazing is that? I know, right? Don't expect to see intelligent things done with this, because we're gonna do mostly very stupid and dangerous things, so unsubscribe. You see, this place never ends. Seriously, I keep saying, what is the potential of this place? But I can't even imagine it, and I've been here for 6 months, and this chair is broken. Magic. Let's go outside. This is the other side. I know, it's all dirty and stuff. That's the second entrance, you know, the little road there. Now, this area of the shop is actually, there's 3 apartments. They are like about 100 square meters each. 3 apartments. So this is going to be the maker hotel. So it's going to be rooms and everything for the team to stay here, and friends and people that want to come over, wherever. We're going to see, but amazing. There is seriously a lot of work that needs to be done here. There's like some guys like from Africa that are living here. When I bought the place, I told them they could stay here for like 6 months for free. They don't have to pay any rent. Not that they would, but now that they kind of have to go, they don't seem like they want to go, so we're gonna have to problems. But seriously, there's a lot to do, a lot to clean, but it's gonna be amazing. Now, there's really a lot to do here. So if you're into like shop organization and infrastructure building and stuff like that, you're in for a treat, because there's going to be a lot of content coming up. And I'm going to release like multiple videos a week. First thing is going to be, I'm going to build like a temporary office, so the whole team can move here, and that's going to be the start. Like from that day when the team is working from here, then we moved. And then of course there's all the other shop to move the stuff. It's going to be intense, but I hope you are here for the ride, and thank you. See you tomorrow.